guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing a little art project my daughter and I made using mainly Dollar Tree products. Stay tuned. If you like all things Dollar Tree, like hauls, organizing, please check me out and subscribe below. It's so easy to take decals from the Dollar Tree and turn them into your own kind of art. Years ago, I made this artwork with a decal in an IKEA frame, and it's still holding up well. With my daughter getting older, it was time to upgrade her bedroom decor. There was a tall wall behind her bed in particular that needed some attention. Since she loves unicorns, we decided to make our own art using this decal from the Dollar Tree. Using paint from the craft section and an array of brushes, we decided to make a simple design full of pink, purple, sky blue, and gold. Now, just FYI, this canvas is from Michaels, but you could use the 8x10 canvases combined together to make one large artwork. When painting at a diagonal, it helped to really take our time and use paper and a ruler as a general guide. Once the paint was dry, we left it alone for an additional 1 to 2 days, and then we placed the wall decal in the middle. Given the canvas material, it did need a little glue at the back of the decal, just a little bit to get a good seal. We particularly love how clean the design is, the use of white, empty space, and how the gold really stands out in the light. So, have you used any Dollar Tree decals to make your own art? It's so nice when you could take pre-made decor items and personalize them in your own unique way. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.